Pretty much. Yeah, pretty much. Hold on. You're very excited. Hey everyone, Gonzo here at the first ever filmmaking family obstacle course. Zooey is going to run on our first ever obstacle course here in the game grounds, otherwise known as the yard. Hey, I think she's ready to begin. Let's start! In action. Hey everyone, welcome to the first ever filmmaking family obstacle course. Here is our contestant today, Zooey Jane. Hey Zooey.
Hi, you ready for this? After we've gone 5 prizes.
Yeah, there'll be prizes at the end of this. So, Zooey, you have to let me go through the rules with Zooey. Yeah, come on, kids. Hey, so Zooey, here are the rules. You have to ride this tricycle. You gotta ride your tricycle as fast as you can to the balance beam. Get to the balance beam, and then go across the balance beam. And then you have to climb up on the 2 blocks, on the blue block and on the green block. And then you have to climb and jump off of them, then climb up the slide. And then you have to climb across the swing set, then to the seesaw, and then get to the house. And if you do that, you get a prize at the house. Okay?
Okay.
All right. And here we go. And go!
Push.
Push. You can use your feet. Do whatever you have to do. It's not meant to be easy. Good job, Zooey. Keep going. She's doing great, folks. Here we go. And get to the balance beam. Now go across the balance beam. Good balancing. And jump off the balance beam. Yes, stuck the landing. And now she's on the 2 blocks. And she jumps off the blocks. Oh, now climb up the slide. She got the jelly shoes on.
Might need to lose the
which
shoes.
will make it hard for her to go up the slide.
Might need to lose the shoes.
Time is ticking away.
Tick. Oh, she skipped the slide.
Whoa.
Try again. Come on, the next swing.
This obstacle course is designed because we've seen her do this before.
You can do it.
Good job, Zooey. Oh, she's doing so good, folks. Look at her. Look at that agility. Look at that balance. Look at that reach. Look at those great purple jellies. And oh, perfect. And run over and touch the purple, the pink house. All right, hey, she won. Let's find out what she won.
What's inside?
Teenage. Yes. 2 teenage.
What else is there? What are those?
My ponies and kids.
My Little Ponies and Kinder Egg.
Something now.
That's all. You found all 4 prizes.
4 prizes
2
today.
Kinder Eggs and
Let's
2
open
Little
them.
Ponies. Yeah, let's open
Let's
them.
open them.
And
Want to go in your house?
All right, kid, here's your Kinder Egg. Congratulations. How do you feel now that you've gone through the obstacle course?
good. And I know to do that the very one I did it very 2 times.
You did pretty good. You did pretty good. Kinder Egg. I like Kinder Eggs. I like the chocolate.
We got some extra.
Oh, that's a funny looking one.
That's a duplicate.
That is duplicate. Yeah, we got one similar to that the other day. I did the exact same one. Here, hand it to an adult off screen.
Let's not open this
We
one.
can put it together later.
Yeah, we can put this together.
We don't make that right because we did.
It's a duplicate. We like it, but it's just we already have one. If you need help with
Well,
that.
what if the chocolate's a duplicate? Should we get rid of it? It's okay if there's duplicate chocolate?
Yeah, duplicate chocolate is very
Always
popular.
time. Always the time. It's always.
Oh, it looks
it's
so
always full. Ow!
Kinder Eggs. Let me pick up that trash. Yeah.
Mommy, my tummy tummy.
Should we open the My Little Pony while we're waiting? set the alarm clock. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, now, Zooey, say your ABCs with the chocolate in your mouth. I'm just kidding. Oh, she's doing it. Maybe don't do that. Nobody wants to see it. Food in their mouth. All right, let's open up the My Little Pony.
Oh.
Beep, 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 beep.
Do you think we're gonna get a new one we don't have, or a duplicate?
Hey!
What is it? What is it? Oh!
It's a different one.
You don't have that one.
What is it?
I like her hair.
Let me see. It's orange swirl.
Orange swirl. That's also one of my favorite ice creams.
Very cool. What does she look like?
Pink and yellow.
Does she have any tiny markings on her? She has a bow.
And look. Two.
Oh. Does she have a heart on her? What is that?
And I got the other one here, ladies and gentlemen. The second pony prize for winning the obstacle course. It's a blue one.
Which one's that?
Here, show the kids at home the piece of paper.
Let's see. Which one is it?
Oh, they like each other. That's nice.
Ivory Rook.
Ivory Rook. What an interesting name. You guys got great names. You know that, ponies? Thank you.
They're always complicated toys.
Yeah, you gotta put them together. There's only like 3 parts. That's a pretty cool thing inside of an egg that you
And
eat.
you play it, you wash it, and then you use it.
Yeah.
It's a different one. What?
Oh, it fell. It's okay. Hey, let's go on top of the roof and say goodbye to the kids.
Bye, kids at home.
Bye! Subscribe! Ha-ha! Obstacle courses! Yay! Wah-ha!
Family. Subscribe.